Hey, what's up guys? David Rishka here with the Success Keeper, and today I'm creating a brand new video and I'm gonna talk about how to make money without being an expert. Um, so first thing I wanna say that everybody starts out uh, as a beginner, no expert. Some people say that every master was once a disaster. You probably heard that saying. And to start any kind of business, you don't have to be an expert, okay? You don't have to wait until you master everything to start a business, any kind of business. A lot of people learn enough about the type of business that they want to start, just enough to start the process, to start the business, and they learn along the way as they go, because nobody can learn everything and know everything when they start a business. Ask any successful business owner, and when they started their businesses, that every single one of them will tell you that they didn't know most of the things about the business that they know now. Okay, they were learning along the way as they were doing the business. So you do not have to be an expert to start, or to start making money, or to start a business. Anybody can come online and be successful. If you don't have much experience, but you are dedicated, and you made the mental decision in your head that you will do whatever it takes to follow the steps, um, to be successful. For example, when I started working with Legendary Marketer, the online affiliate marketing company, I made the mental decision that I will do whatever they teach me to do to become successful. Okay, and I was disaster too, but by repeating the process and doing it every single day over and over, you get better and better at it. Okay, so anybody who puts into work every single day and follows the rules, the steps, eventually you will start seeing results. It might take a month, 6 months. For some people, it even takes a year or 2 years to start seeing good results. We are all unique. We are all different, depending how you do it, and how much time you spend into it. And if also, what matters a lot is if you have a success coach, excuse me, if you have somebody to guide you, because if you have a success coach or mentor, it will cut down the time and spending also, because if you are trying to figure everything out on your own, you will probably waste a lot of time and money in the process. But if you have somebody who is already successful, who is guiding you in the process, then that will shorten the time to your goals, to your success. Have a income goal in mind. Okay, so when you start your business, for me it was my first goal, my short-term goal was to make $10,000 online. To me, that is being extremely successful. That's a lot of money to me. So I was envisioning having that money coming in every single month from my online business. And then I knew once I start making that money, uh, I'm gonna have a different income goal in mind. It might be $20,000 or $30,000 in mind, but this was $10,000 was my first income goal in mind, and that was something I focused my mind on when I started to create value for people. And as I said before, you gotta have a vision, because if you don't have any goal in mind, if you don't have any vision, you don't know where you're going. It's like a ship on the ocean without any direction. Okay, you have to have some kind of direction, destination, where you wanna go, where you wanna be in certain time. Okay, so let's say your plan or your vision is to be making $10,000 a month within 12 months. Okay, so that would be, pretty good, realistic goal to have. It's definitely possible. For some people it takes a little longer, but it's definitely possible to make that money online. You gotta have a vision and keep focusing your vision on that goal. Okay, when you are going through difficult times, you don't see any results, just keep seeing where you are gonna be within 12 months or whatever the time period is for you. You gotta make a solid decision that you will commit and do the work that it takes to reach the goal. And ask yourself, why are you starting this online business or any kind of business? Why are you doing it? Are you tired of your current situation? Are you not making enough money? Are you tired of your boss? Do you want to provide more for your kids, for your family? What is your driving source that will help you to make the solid decision that you will commit and follow the steps, the teachings, or your mentor, and do what it takes to reach the goal? So I want you to think about it. This is step 5 is huge, guys, because this is gonna be like your gas tank, like your engine, you know, the fuel that you put in your car. Why are you doing this? Maybe your kids, your family. I'll teach you a simple 3-step process of how most people run online businesses. So they start a brand new business, they come in, they don't have any experience, and they start at the learning stage, right? They learn how the business works, what to do, maybe what platform they're gonna use, maybe YouTube, maybe Instagram, maybe Facebook, and they learn. They are going through the learning curve. Then they go ahead and they do the work. As they learn, they go ahead and they do the work. They start seeing results. They keep repeating the work every single day. They get better and better. And then they start seeing results and they start teaching that process to other people. Okay? And by teaching this process to other people, you are also improving and learning the strategies or what it takes to become successful, to reach the goals. And like I said before, it takes time. It's not overnight success. Do not believe anybody when you see somebody online saying that start making $1,000 a day or a week, starting today or tomorrow, easy money, learn how to make $1,000 a day, you know, stuff like that. This sounds like that sounds like a scheme. Okay, everything takes time. You're gonna have to, no matter what you start, you're gonna have to go through a learning curve. You're gonna have to learn about the business. You are not, most likely, you are not gonna start making money the first week. Most people don't even start making money the first month. Some people do. But do not believe people online who advertise and tell you and promise you that you will start making money the first day or the first week, okay? It most likely will take some time. And I know that people have objections. They say, well, there is already a lot of marketers online. There is already a lot of successful people. Who am I? I don't have any experience. Why would somebody listen to me? And the thing is that we are all unique, guys, okay? We all teach and do business in our own ways. For example, I'll give you gurus such as Tony Robbins or T. Harv Eker or Bob Proctor. These are big names in the online industry. They teach people the right mindset, mostly how to be successful financially, and they have products. They teach kind of similar things to people, but they have their own style. Okay, they are all different, but they teach similar things. Imagine you are going, you take a look at, or for example, you have 3 colleges. They teach very similar things to people, but they are unique. They have their own ways of teaching their students, okay? But they teach similar things. and people create connections with them. They they start liking the way one college works or one person works, how they explain things. They create connections with them, they start liking them, and they start buying more and more products with them. Or if you like one school more than other, let's say you want to go to school for becoming a nurse, you might find 10 different schools for that, but you will do some research and see which school would fit you the best, because they might be all a little different and teach things differently, okay? The same over here. When you start online business, you might be running business that a lot of other people are running already, and you are advertising in a similar ways than other people, but you are unique. You have your unique ways of connecting with people, of teaching them and creating value for them. So there are thousands and thousands of people around the world who will connect with you, who will like the way you run your business, the way you connect with people, the way you create value for people, and they will start liking you, create connection, and start buying from you, okay? Very important. So don't have these self-limiting beliefs that all opportunities are already taken, that there is already a lot of people doing it and there is no more room. That's a lie. That's a self-limiting belief. There is always a room for other people, okay? Because you are unique. There is no other person like you. Most likely when you start promoting your online business, there will be probably people who are promoting the same or similar things, but they are not gonna be you, okay? They are gonna do it in their own ways, and they are just not gonna have the same connection as you would with other people. People, when you start promoting or advertising or being online, people will start liking you, they will start connecting with you, and they will want to buy from you over your competitors, because they will, like I said before, I'm repeating myself, they will like the way you run business, they will start trusting you, they will get to learn more about you, and this is actually a very powerful process. As you start your online business, you will create your own brand, because, like I said before, you are unique, you are teaching things in your own ways. And this is what I wanted to talk about, because there is a lot of people out there with self-limiting beliefs. Some of them even start an online business and they do not put the time and effort into it. They don't do any work, and they buy the program or sign up for membership, and they don't even start learning or do anything, because they get overwhelmed. They stop believing that there is enough room for them to become successful, to get in the space and to start promoting and to get customers. A lot of people think that all those customers are already taken by the successful people, but there is always a room for another business person, okay? There is always room for somebody to be successful. Like they say, the ladder of success is not crowded at the top. So do not be discouraged. Make the solid decision that you will do whatever it takes to reach your goals. Guys, it's not gonna be easy. You're gonna have some challenges, but you will have people. Hopefully, if you sign up with the right program or the right company, you will have coaches and people who will help you along the way. If you are interested to see what company I am affiliated with, I'm gonna leave a link below this video. If you have any questions or comments about this video, please do not hesitate to contact me, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm creating videos almost every single day for you guys, and I'll be more than happy to answer any of your questions, okay? So do not forget that you can start making money online without being an expert. You just need a little bit of knowledge to get started, and you will learn more and more about the business as you start working it. Okay, and this is it for today's video. I wish you all the best. Stay in touch with me, make a comment below this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will speak with you soon, guys. You take care for now.